Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. We're going to be talking over the new sneaker release. If I show you guys this box, can you guess what it is? If not, are you really a sneakerhead? Although the hype's been dying, come on. So today we're going to be walking over the new Sesame 350 V2 boosts. Although Yeezy hype has died out, these are one of my favourite colourways since the blue tints. The cream restock and the zebra restock didn't go as well as I'm guessing they were expecting. Although they were always a nice colourway, but you just don't do that. Like, you don't release it to a wide spectrum, especially when you've got such a community around the shoe. So yeah, we're going to cut the box open, or we're going to open the box, and we're going to walk through it, and I'm going to show you the shoes and give you a bit of history. There's not a lot of history with Yeezys, especially to explain. But we're going to go into it and I'm going to show, and then if you stick around to the end of the video, we're going to have an on-foot shot this time, and we're also going to have right at the end, we're going to have how I would style them. I'm just waiting on stuff coming in now from Black Friday, and also you'll see a video at the end of the month or at the beginning of the next month talking about what I picked up this month and how it went. So yeah, we'll cut back when we're going to open the box for you. So we're back and we're going to open the box. I've took all the labels off this time, so I don't have to blur anything. That was a mistake I made last week, but I've noticed that it's a lot easier just to take the labels off. So if I just open the box, I'm so excited. I've not had a pair of Yeezys come through the post in so long. I don't wear them that often, but it's always nice to have a good pair of Yeezys, especially the Sesames. They're such a nice colourway. It's always so satisfying to open up the box. So as you see guys, it's just a normal Adidas box when it comes to Yeezys. Oh, gotta get rid of more stuff I need to hide. So it looks like we've got, it's like a mini poster. I don't know if they started doing these in orders. I have seen a couple of things come up. Where's the camera? It's there. And it's just an Adidas Collect like leaflet in a sense, and it's got the EQT supports in the back. There they are there. It's always so hard to find the camera. There you go. So you got the pink and black colourway and the grey and green. I seen them come in. We had them come into the shop, and I like them, but they don't suit me in a sense. They are a nice shoe, but definitely not for me. They're more for running. So if we go, oh, here's the 350 box. Everyone knows what this box looks like. One of the most iconic sneaker boxes compared to like Jordans and stuff. So here we are. There's a 350. Better grab a thumbnail shot. There you go. So we're going to open up the box. As you know, it says obviously Yeezy Boost 350 on the side, made by Adidas, adidas.com/Kanye. And then you've got the sizing. I went for a size 10 as I've got the 9.5 in the blue tints, and they're getting a bit tight now, so I thought the 10 would probably be better to go for. So we're just going to open up the box. It's always, oh, there you go. Just broke the wee tab. Oh, I love them. They're so nice. Right, can't open the box fully, but here we go. Inside the shoe, inside the box, sorry. So we have the first look at the Sesames. These are insane. I'm going to take them out of the box and I'll show you guys them. Oh, I can't. I've been waiting for these for so long, and it's just, ever since they were announced, I was like, I need to get a pair. Like, these are the ones I need to cop. It wasn't actually too hard to get them because they were sitting on Foot Locker for a wee bit. Also, they were selling on adidas.com/website, yeah. But here they are. Oh my god, so clean. I've got to pop them up to the camera for you. So it's just a normal, the reason I think these are so popular, especially in the sense of everyone else, is because there was a couple of speculations, obviously, due to the fact that the upper is this colour. It goes back to like the Oxford Tan V1s, and they were extremely popular, one of the most popular V1s there is. So that's why a lot of people kind of reminisce with them, and they also have the gum sole colour, and this looks good on any shoe. You put it on. But these dropped on Black Friday, so that was the 23rd. They dropped at 7 AM in the UK. That's different to usual. It's usually 8 o'clock. I'll get it to this box. But they dropped it at 7 o'clock. Yeah. it was I was so tired. I had to get up and then get them, but it wasn't a difficult journey. You had to wait in the queue for like 20 minutes. Just as usual you use these, but you actually got them quite fast, which is obviously different compared. But these dropped, as I said, on Black Friday. Same as last year where we had the free V2s drop, the three colourways, the black and the striped colourway. We had the red stripe, the green stripe and the brown stripe. Yeah, I'm right. They were sick. I didn't get a pair last year. I was going to go for the red striped, but I couldn't cop. I couldn't cop when they were popular. That's what I'm saying right here. So we're just going to break down the shoe. I'll cut back with a more in-depth view of the shoe. So here we go, guys. Here's the Yeezys up close. They're so insane. I love them. I'm going to put one of them down and just show you them. So as you know, it comes. It's just a normal 350 V2 silhouette. 350 silhouette. Sorry. So you have the upper here, with the laces indented into the upper. As you know, they come with the tags. Sorry. They come also, if I open this up, they come with the Adidas. If you can see in there. Adidas Yeezy, you can't see. I'll get my Supreme lamp. Let's see if you can see now. So it comes with Adidas Yeezy just on the sole there. That tends to rub off if you don't kind of watch what you're doing with them. So if you're looking and you've got a pair and you've just got a pair and you want to keep them looking fresh, then I definitely watch what you're doing when you're sliding your foot in, because it does come off quite easily. You've got the normal sole. I'd say it matches the colour. The Sesame colour on the shoe, like especially this bit of the sole, but then you have the gum sole part, which just splits up the shoe completely and gives it a different look. I think it looks insane. It's so clean, but it's so different at the same time. I love it. Sorry, it's so hard compared to the GoPro and the phone. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is we're going to teleport. I'm going to click my fingers and we're going to have an on-foot review. Review of the shoes, and I'll have a styled version soon. That'll be at the end of the video, so this will be after the next clip. You'll see the one after this clip. You'll see how I would style them. I'm waiting on a couple of things, as I said at the start of the video. So yeah, when they come in, I'll definitely show you guys and then put them in the video. So yeah. Oh right. So we're here. So I'm going to angle you guys down at my feet, and we're going to watch and see what happens. Yeah. So here are the Yeezy 350 Sesames. I think they look insane on foot. Just ignore what I'm wearing now, that'll change later on. But I think they're just definitely a clean look. Although I do like the blue tint, I actually prefer these ones. I think they look a lot better on foot, as they're not as out there as other ones. But also, that's kind of what Yeezys are for. They're out there for a reason. But yeah, to give you guys a couple of different views to see what you think of them, but I love them so much. Yeah. Hey guys, back when we're ready with the fit, so I can show you guys how we get on. So yeah, see you guys soon. Oh, right. Hey guys, so this is the fit that I was looking at and I thought it would go well with them. I kind of stuck with earth tones. I split it up with the bomber jacket just so I think that's what works well with the Sesame, because the Sesames are quite an earth tony colour, so it's definitely better just to stick with earth tones throughout the outfit. So firstly we have the Alpha Industries bomber jacket. You know it's always Alpha Industries when it comes with like this tag. It's a great quality jacket. I got it on Black Friday from End. It was on sale. I've been looking at it for a while though, so I just jumped the gun and got it finally. But it's just nice detail. It's just khaki colour, goes well with earth tone colour, and goes well with practically anything. You can kind of wear it over like a nice like shirt and like trousers or whatever you want. It just goes with everything. Next we have a H&M hoodie. It's just a light beige it was under. So I think it just goes well because it definitely matches up with the, if you can see like the back of the sole on the Sesames. I think that goes perfectly well. Also if you look underneath, there is just like a lighter colour like oversized shirt that kind of matches the upper section of the Sesames. I definitely feel it pulls the outfit together. This is just a Hollister tee. It's just a standard Hollister tee with the logo up the top at one of the corners. But it's just a standard colour that matches the Sesames. So lastly, to help, we have the cargo pants, and I think this definitely pulls the outfit together. I wasn't sure if to go for the black or the beige ones, but I decided to go with the beige ones because I think it pulls the outfit together and actually matches the earth tones, but this black would properly separate the outfit, which I don't want to do. So I definitely feel this goes best, especially with the shoes. It definitely brings them all together. So I'll quickly do just a couple, show you guys all the different parts of it. So yeah, so if you guys want to leave a like and subscribe, it definitely helps. If there is anything you guys want me to improve on, just leave it in the comments below and I'll definitely try my best. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the content, please leave a subscription. There's new videos coming out. I've got tons planned, I just need to find time to do them. I'm finishing my uni coursework. Should be soon, so it should be happening a lot more. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.